What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all everything you need to know for how to cop the new up-and-coming women's exclusive Jordan 1 tie-dyes dropping this Friday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a section on how to cop, because each section is going to be essential for knowing how to get these shoes. We finally hit 100. Next goal is 500. Thanks for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. You feel me?
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder.
We lit, you feel me, man? 100 subscribers. Next goal is 500. Make sure you guys keep just showing love, liking the videos, commenting on the videos. It really helps me out a lot. We're trying to grow this channel. And guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe for more sneaker content like this in the future. These shoes are gonna be dropping June 26th and reselling at $170 US. Now this is a good price, even though it did increase since last year. It increased by $10. This is still a good price and still gives us a good margin for profit. And guys, if you haven't seen my Instagram yet, make sure you guys follow that right there. That's my Instagram. I'll be posting all the updates and all the news. And you guys can also contact me if you need an answer to something, if you have like some questions, if you need some advice for reselling. I answer DMs very frequently, so make sure you guys follow my Instagram right there below if you want to get in contact with me and if you want to chop it out, you feel me? But these shoes still are at a cheap price. They give us decent margins for profit. Now guys, your best chance for copying these shoes are going to be on the Sneakers app. And on the Sneakers app, these are going to be releasing 10 a.m. EST. Make sure you guys get as much people as possible to verify their numbers so you can have as much accounts as possible to increase your chances with copying. Now guys, since this is a women's exclusive shoe, you are going to focus on the bigger sizes, because the bigger sizes do correlate to the more common sizes for men. So for example, a size 12 in women's is a 10.5, I'm pretty sure, in men's. So, you know what I'm saying, the sizes, they don't go out too far, so the bigger the sizes, the better. Now guys, in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Do you think this is a banger, or do you think this is a trash shoe? In my opinion, I did not like this shoe at first, but you know what I'm saying, it's kind of growing on me, you feel me? It's a really unique shoe, so it's gonna be kind of hard to pull off with like fits and stuff, you feel me? But I mean, like, you know, if you got that drip, I mean, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little tough though, but you can do it. But yeah, in the comment section, guys, let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Is it a cop or is it a drop? Now guys, these shoes are also gonna be releasing in little kids, and I don't think that's GS, you feel me? But I'm gonna have to check on that. I don't think that's GS, but it's gonna be releasing in little kids for $80 and toddler sizes for $60. Now, little kids might be a cook, just like GS sizes for Jordan 1s do extremely well. These little kid sizes might do good. Now, it's not the same sizing as GS, but it might perform in the same way GS sizes do perform for Jordan 1s. So guys, my primary focus for this shoe is probably going to be the adult sizing, of course, and a kid sizing, or the little kid sizing. Now guys, like I said, Sneakers is going to be dropping this shoe, but Foot Sites are also going to be dropping this shoe, so that does increase your chances that much more, because these recent sneaker drops haven't been on too many websites. Really, the most hyped sneaker releases have just been on Nike sneakers as of recent, not on, you know, Foot Sites. And there's a lot of heat dropping this week, you feel me? So expect some more videos coming, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep pushing them boys out, you feel me? But yeah, your main stores are gonna be releasing these shoes: your Foot Actions, your Foot Lockers, your Champs, your East Bays, and your Sneakers. Those are the 5 ones you're gonna wanna focus on. Now, I would probably go with Foot Locker, try to make that your primary focus for Foot Sites, because those do receive the most stock for Jordan 1s. And guys, since this Corona stuff has started to push back, but it's kind of picking back up, you know what I'm saying, they are going to be releasing in store finally, you feel me? So that does increase your chances if you do have your FLX points. And personally, I haven't been building mine at all. I'm really lacking on those points. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'm just going to try to finesse them. I'm going to try to get somebody in the store, call them, tell them, hold this amount of pairs, I'll pay you this much, you feel me? Find somebody need their rent paid. They look like they need their rent paid, you know what I mean, from the last video. And guys, if you didn't check out last video, make sure you guys check out the last video I just uploaded. It will help you a lot if you are starting in the reselling business. But like I said, guys, just try to find somebody that looks like they're cool and just offer them, you know, a certain amount of money so they can hold you that amount of shoes. Maybe they can hold you 2 or 3 pairs. You know, if it's four stores in the mall, it's 12 pairs if you just keep adding them up. Now guys, these are gonna be in some raffles, but some of these raffles might be closed by now, but you can go check. They're gonna be on Extra Butter, Hibbit, and Stay Rooted. Now those are the best raffles in my opinion to go for, because those are the US raffles that I have found, not the EUs, all the added, you know what I'm saying, where you gotta get a reshipper. Try to focus on the raffles in the US because of the certain situation that's going on. Now guys, in resale terms, I know you guys remember when I made the June resale list, these shoes were up there in money. Now these shoes have gone all the way down. They're in like the 200s. They were like in the 400s or the 300s if I remember correctly, but they were way higher than they are now. So this does show something, how drastic the prices have changed in that little amount of time, like 2 to 3 weeks. So these aren't gonna be a hold in my opinion. If you do cop these, make sure you get them off of your hands as quick as possible, because I feel like this is just like a trend, or like, not a trend, but it's kind of like, it's just like hype, but I don't think it's gonna be hype for that much longer. So if you do cop these shoes, make sure you guys do get them off your hands as quick as possible and try to sell it local, you feel me? Forget the StockX, forget the Go, you know what I'm saying? Try to get on your Facebook marketplace, whatever, locally, sell on Instagram, do whatever you gotta do to get that local sale, because that's gonna bring you the most amount of money and the biggest profit margin. Now guys, for the most profitable sizes, make sure you guys focus on the 10W, 10 in women's through 12 in women's. This is gonna bring you the most bang for your buck, you feel me? Now these are gonna be the most sought after sizes, so it's gonna be harder if you are trying to go for these sizes. But if you gotta buy, if you know you can get your hands on these, you know what I'm saying, go for 10 through 12. But if you're manual gang like me, focus on the smaller sizes, because you can at least cater to the women if you can't cater to the men. So try to go for the smaller sizes in those, and try to go for the biggest sizes if you're trying to go for the most amount of profit. But try to go for the smaller sizes for a better chance of copying. Now if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on saying what do you think these shoes are gonna hit resale wise, and just subscribe, you know what I'm saying, if you want to see some more content like this in the future. And leave a like if this video did help you out.